Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and in today's video I am going to explain you about expressions in Python. So basically expressions are fundamental to any programming language and one should learn, or you can say that one should start learning programming from evaluating expressions, because you can correlate programming language with mathematical expressions. So let us see that what are expressions. So basically an expression is a combination of values, variables and operators. And basically what will happen, if expression is evaluated, it will produce a single value. That means it will produce a value. Now let us see an example, that is x is equal to 10 plus 5. So you can see there, here 10 is value, 5 is value and plus is operator. So that is, and here x is variable and again equal to, that is also called assignment operator. So this is an expression in Python. Now let us see what would be the output of these expressions. So basically if you have evaluated expressions in mathematics, so you would be able to express it. So see that here, that would be 10 plus 5 into 2, that means 10 plus 10 and that would be 20. Here that would be different, 10 plus 5 into 2, that means 15 into 2, 30. You might be thinking that both expression will have same value, but this is different. Now let us see some more expressions. 10 upon 3, here 10 double slash, we will understand both are divisions, but we will understand 2 star star 4, that is basically that is exponentiation. That means that would be 2 raise 4. So these are expressions in Python, but similar to mathematical expression, some symbols are changed. Now 5 modulus operator, that means if you divide 15 by 4, so the modulus, so that means that would be 3. How has it come? So 15, if you divide it by 4, 3 times 12, that is 3. This one, that is 5 modulus 4. Now let us see another one. This expression you can easily understand, 5 plus 3 into 2 minus 1. So 5 plus 6 minus 1, and that would be equal to 10. Another expression. Let us see another expression, 8 minus 3 into 2. That means 5 into 2, that would be 10. Again 18 divided by 4, so you can say that that would be equal to 18 divided by 4, so 4.5. The same way you can see other expressions. And see that Python follows PEMDAS order, that is, it is like Bodamas. See that what is P for a parenthesis, E for exponentiation, MD for multiplication and division, AS for addition and subtraction. That is a floor division, that means floating point will get truncated. Now let us see the following Python code and we will also run. See that here just I am copying it and I am opening Thony editor of the Python and just I will paste and I will run it and just make it zoom so that everything would be clear. Okay, now we will evaluate 10 plus 5 into 2. So just run it and I will explain each line. So that is 20. That means here, see that here print function in Python, that is used for output or sending output to screen. Simply print will send what is inside parenthesis. So 10 plus 5 into 2, that is 10. So 20 would be printed at the screen. The same way, let us see another examples. Here again output would be 30 because here I am explaining and I will just copy and paste into Thony editor. So here 10 plus 5, that is 15 into 2, that 30. The same way here I am just revealing all the statements. So here 30, here 10 upon 3, 3.333, 10 upon double slash 3, that means this is also division but decimal part will get truncated. Here 2 raised 4, that would be 16. 15, as I told you, output would be 3, the remainder, that would be 3. Thereafter 5, 3 into 2 minus 1, that would be 10 because 5 plus 3 plus 2 minus 1. So that would be 11 minus 1, that is 10. The same way 8 into 2, 8 into minus 3 into 2, that would be 5 into 2, means 8 minus 3, that will be 5, that is 10. The same way 4.5, if you divide 18 by 4, so you will get 4.5. Here 4 because 4.5 and this will get truncated. So this is called truncated division. The decimal part will get truncated. So let us see. Let us copy all the code and run it on Thony editor. So this one I will erase or I will select here and paste. I am using Thony editor and it can be installed on any system. Just see the output of each statement. Here 20 we have already got. So let us see that. Let us clear it. I have pressed Ctrl L. Let us see the output. So you can see that what we are missing, there is indentation and it should not be here. So let us remove the indentation, means space. Python is space sensitive. You cannot give space unnecessarily. So first of all, remove spaces from print statement and we will run it and press Ctrl L so that output screen will get clear. And now run it. So you can see that 20, 30, 3.33, 3, 16, 3, what is written here, and I explain it. So this was the output, and as I told you, you should start from expressions. Now you have learnt about Python expressions and evaluate to value. Python operators follow precedence rules. Second, expressions can be mathematical or screen based. And what sources I have used, you can see that. So hope you understood expressions in Python. In the next video I will explain tokens, which is also called anatomy of any programming language. And understanding token is the key to understand any programming language. So hope you understood. Thanks for watching the video.